how to create an account on Pinterest. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So here we got the app has been downloaded, Pinterest here. So we click on it to open the app. So here we open the app, we're going to create a new account from the scratch. So here we can continue with Facebook or with Google, but we're going to use the original way to create a new account from scratch. So I'm going to use this email for me here and then click on continue. And here we're going to create our password. So I'm going to create my own password here and then click on next. And that's your name. I'm going to put my name over here and then choose next once again. And this is your date of birth. So you need to put your date of birth as it should be and then choose OK. And then click on next. In here, I'm going to choose your gender. So I'm going to pick up here male, and then this is your country or your region. So we can change this one by click here and choose whatever you want and then choose next. And this one more step, you're going to choose the things that you're interested in. You can pick up to 5 or even more. So let's pick up, for example, football, vehicles, phone background. Let's choose also memes and wallpaper, and then click on next. Just generated the information. And if you click here on save, this is your account, and these are your data, information, and username. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.